Section 4, ARI Basics, Step-by-Step Directions. Step 5, Code Oral Reading Miscues. When learning to code miscues, sometimes there is a feeling of discomfort because you must listen, write, and think all at the same time. Use this practice opportunity as a means of gaining confidence and skill. Prepare a copy of each of the practice materials listed in the left margin of your examiner's manual. In both examiner's passages, the surprise party and the first gas mask, all 6 types of counted miscues occur: omissions, insertions, substitutions, aided words, repetitions, and reversals. Also, the not counted miscues, self-corrections, hesitations, and the ignoring of punctuation occur as well. Your task is to learn to code them all. Play each passage and follow the practice example directions. Check your answers with the answer key found in the appendix. If you wish more coding practice, use other passages from Section 4, ARI Basic, Section 3, ARI Case Study, and Section 5, ARI Advanced. Passage number 1, the surprise party.
Hurry. Sue called to her sisters and brothers. Hide the balloons, and then everyone hide. Don't make a sound or say a word. Dad will be coming home soon. When Mr. Brown came to his house, he didn't see his children all was still, so he didn't hear anything. Then he heard his children laughing and singing and calling, "Surprise!" He was many blue, green, and red balloons flying in the air. A big smile grew up on his face.
Reader number 2, Form B, Level 6, the first gas mask.
The explosion was terrible that day in Cleveland, Ohio in 1916. 32 were trapped in a tunnel 250 feet below Lake Erie, and on one could enter the smoke-filled
Atmosphere.
Someone get Garrett Morgan to help, yelled a man. Morgan's breathing device is the only thing that can help rescue the survivors. Garrett Morgan and his brother quickly assisted. My breathing device will save those victims lives. Morgan said with confidence, "I invented it so firemen can breathe when they enter a burning house filled with suffocating gases. We tested my device in an airtight tent that was filled with thick smoke. A man put diver's helmet device with many long breathing tubes running to the floor over his head, went into the tent and stayed 20 minutes, and he emerged unharmed. Then Morgan and his brother played the devices over their heads and rushed into the death trap tunnel one by one. They carried each man out. Although not every life was saved, it was Morgan's invention, the first gas mask that saved lives that day and in years to come.